For this video, I'm going to make some miniature furniture. That's something I kind of like to do. I've done several projects like that, and my wife likes doll houses, and I made her a couple of small houses, and I designed some of my own furniture for some of it, just to put for her to furnish it with. But this is, I never did any fretwork furniture. This is from the same book I've been working out of. It's Patrick Spillman Designs. There's more to it than this, but I'm just going to do these 3 items for this video. We've got 2 chairs, one's a rocker, and just a regular chair, and then we've got a little table. He suggested these be made out of 3/16. I don't have a lot of 3/16, but that's what this is. I'm using that because the slot is designed for the 3/16 wood. This is 1/4 inch. This is ash, and I layered this. And we'll cut 2 at a time on those. Then you got the seats. And he said you could use a round table, and I'd preferred a round table, but it wouldn't fit on this piece of material without interfering with the other patterns on the size he suggested, so I just went ahead to use this. So I've got them mounted. I've got holes drilled, and I'm going to cut them out. This, like I say, this is ash. I believe this is either ash or aspen. I'm not sure. I think it's aspen. But got it all drilled and ready to go. I've got a good number 3, a fresh number 3 in the machine. I'm going to start on the single layers with that. Cut this out. This is a fairly dense wood. So let me get it over the saw and we'll start cutting it out. Okay, got them cut out and pretty much glued together here. As you can see, I was using these rubber bands as clamps. I'm ready to pull them off and see if everything's straight and sits well. It seems to match up really nice. I've got it lined up. That was the biggest concern I had, was especially on that rocker, is get them the sides lined up perfectly. Appears to be good so far, and that doesn't have any rock. I'm pleased with that. I'm not going to have to sand any of the legs or anything. It's sitting pretty steady. Same thing with the table. It doesn't have any rock between the little feet. So that's pretty much done. I've got some finish coming in. I'm out of finish. Might put a finish on it, but that should come in the next day or two. But I need to finish this video up and move on to the next project. I really like those. They're very, very neat little pieces. I don't know what they're good for, other than just a novelty, or if you got doll houses or into miniatures. But I sell a lot of miniature stuff. People kind of like it. If you like that, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I'm still kind of sticking with some fretwork stuff for a while. And I kind of like this older stuff. These are coming out of some older books. They're like kind of unusual, a little different. And I really like the way they look. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.